All right, guys, so we're back in the Jaguar, and one of the things about when you get a car like this, BMWs are the same way, is, you know, the head unit here is pretty much integral to everything in the car, right? Well, if you want to get into the navigation and stuff still works, which is really rare for one of these. Usually GPS has failed by now. This one works perfectly. Or if you want to get into the menu and change different things in the car, same thing with the climate. You kind of need this system. Now, I know someone say, well, you can delete the whole thing and put an iPad in there. Yeah, I've seen those retrofits, and I've also seen them fail. So there isn't an option on the back of the radio where you can put like an iPod or a Bluetooth adapter in and Bluetooth into the radio. But for me, I like to go the easy option. Like, I don't have to tear this apart. I don't have to worry about any of this stuff cracking or breaking or doing whatever. I just go and pick up one of these. Now, I'm out here at AutoZone. And this is where I picked this one up. Now, you can probably find something similar like this on Amazon or things of that nature, but here it is, Bluetooth FM transmitter. What I liked about this one was, though, it plugs in, but it doesn't take up my cigarette lighter socket, right? And then I also got two USB ports right here where I really don't need to use anything. I can plug that into the back and power stuff in the back, like lights or whatever. So we're going to go ahead and get this thing out of the box, plug it in, and see what the sound quality is out of it. All right, so this is what it looks like, and basically the install is going to be as simple as plugging it in to there, and you can see the little screen and whatever lit up. Let's see here, 1077. Wonder if we can change that. Yes, we can. So you can pretty much move it wherever you want. We're going to move it to a low number, like 88.1. Easy to do that way. Lock it into place, and now it'll broadcast on 88.1. So the next thing we got to do is grab a phone. All right, so we're going to look. We got my OnePlus 8 5G here. We're looking, and that looks like it. PW Premier. Yeah, see, this is very similar to what we had before. So we're going to click on that. We should get a connection, pair, and it's connected. All right, so the next thing we want to do is go get some music. We want to tune it down to 88.1 as well. There we go. Uh-oh. And we'll just do a very quick check here. Oh, that sounds horrible. All right, so much better, much better. You have to make sure that you find a channel that has nothing broadcasting on it. I'm at 89.5 right now, and it's much, much, much better. So it's good. It's not as good as the last one I think I had. I don't know if it's because of where it is as far as the radio. It's passable, though. It'll let me get my phone calls and stuff in without me letting me tear this entire thing up. This is YouTube non-copyrighted music, by the way. So I can get this in. This is not bad, though. You know, I got to be honest, man. Looking at some of the different stuff, you know, there's a lot of different things I could have did. And this one is not that horrible. Wow, my soundboard works. Oh shit! Finish him. Yeah, it sounds like it. But it's not bad. You know, I guess it depends on. I gotta really just find a station that doesn't have anything on it, and then we'll be good. But I don't know. Is it worth $29? Or I probably could find one on Amazon much cheaper. And if I do, I'll link it below. I don't know, man. Well, there, that was right on time. Well, anywho's, guys, just a quick little bonus video for you guys today. Some of the different stuff I'm doing in the Jaguar. I don't want to do a lot of stuff to it because the car really doesn't need anything. So I'm just trying to enjoy it. I really am. Except the headlights. I do have the brand new headlight kit here. Same one I used on the GTO that made the GTO look a lot better. You know, granted, the new headlights look better, but I mean, before the new headlights were in it, this right here worked wonders. So we'll do this on the Jaguar as well. Get the headlights looking amazingly crystal clear and keep it moving. But anywho's, guys, hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Just a quick little bonus video on a quick little solution if you don't have Bluetooth and you want to add it to your car. It's not hard. It's just a device. It's pretty simple now. So with that said, thank you guys very much for watching. I will catch you guys on the next one. Peace.